a video. My wife is gambling. Oh man. Hey guys, my wife is gambling. I had to take a video.
You win this.
Yeah, win a shirt, man.
Win a shirt. Here, take this. I'll get a couple more. Feeling generous today.
All right.
Thank you, man.
All right. Let's see what he does.
You have to win them. Yeah, I need that shirt. Yo, no, dude, I get one. I paid for it. Oh, I get one. One, okay, one. Okay, man.
Don't worry about those.
They're gonna have to pay for this video now. You got it right on the bottom. Look, see that blue? The ring around the bottom. See that? I got it on video. He's gonna have to pay for it. What did he win?
Shirt and something else.
I got him on video after he got it there.
Your video's taping the wrong thing. There you go.
Where are these other guys at? Where are the guys that won? Hey guy, I got you on video when you hit that,
nice.
just to let you know. So if you want me to send it to you somewhere, let me know.
Yeah, you should, dude. That's probably a funny video, dude.
Yeah, just in case. I'm gonna leave you my card.
All right. That was probably pretty funny. Everybody went. I use it for documentaries.
Just in case you need it.
Should I send you a text with an email, man?
Huh?
With my email?
Yeah, so I'll send it to you, alright? You deserve it.
I'll give you a reason.
in water.